So many roads to go before the dawn. Just take my hand, don't let us come undone. You may not see the glow, but I see it shine. Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you could be the one, cause we all live for the love. We all live for the love. Even though we've only begun, we give it all for the love.
Well, hello and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but with college started and everything, it's kind of been hectic. But I recently had a helicopter crash, drop down, so I needed to print out some landing gear because they no longer make this landing gear, or you can't find it anywhere online anymore. So I decided I wanted to design a nice landing gear piece. I'm going to probably print it out just a bit stronger. This was a quick print. I'm kind of seeing the time lapse here. It's just something quick just to see if things would fit. It kind of doesn't fit all that well. I had to ream it out, which was kind of a pain to be able to make it go around the landing gear. Grab here and put this in here. It's really tough. It's really tough to get in there. And the real one, it's pretty easy. I guess it's not too easy. But one goes in pretty good, the other one's not as good, so that's kind of what 3D printing is. It's just a bunch of test pieces. So yeah, here's a time lapse, and I might make some footage of the helicopter working. Who knows? Catch you later.
See the glow, but I see it shine. Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you could be